Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Mankato. Welcome to the Rolls-Royce US Power Gen Symposium 2024. We have here today more than 430 participants, 150 companies represented, 15 distributors and more than 130 end customers. The size and representation in the event is a sign of the impact we can make together to create the energy landscape of the future.
I'm excited about meeting other people. First time here that I am meeting with executives from NTU. I'm looking forward, to taking this collaboration to the next step.
The product range, the organization, the people, it's really all about the people. I mean, you can see the products here. Really, it's about the face-to-face time with the people. You can't replicate that anywhere else. So it's a great opportunity.
This is my 14th year. It's just such a great time to get to Mankato and just to see all the products and just learn more about it. Our customers always enjoy it. It really gives them that personal connection with the product, and it just makes it much more relatable. It's not just spec sheets. It's a real brand with real people.
Today's discussion is about energy infrastructure and how do we power the future? How do we keep up with this overall growth? Our technologies, our existing technologies today allow us to do that, but we need flexibility, we need resiliency, we need reliability. We need to collaborate, we need to communicate, and at the end of the day, together, we will resolve these issues.